In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix we can't activate Windows on this device as we can't connect to your organization activation. So I'm going to show you how to fix this problem. If you find this video useful, please consider subscribing and liking the video. Now I'm going to show you two methods. Now if the first one does not work, you are going to use the second one. Now the first step you'll need to do is to go to your taskbar at the bottom, then go to search and click on search. Then search for CMD. Then you need to run as administrator. Click on it. Then yes. Then this command prompt will pop up on your screen. So you are going to copy this command text. Just copy this command text. Then you are going to paste it here. Then press on enter. Then as you can see, key management service matching name set to kims8.mguide.com successfully. So if this does not fix your problem, you are going now to close this one, and now you will use the second method. So the second method, again, you are going to go to your taskbar, then go to search, then again search for CMD, then run as administrator. Then click on yes. Then again this pop-up will appear. So you are going to copy this second command text here. You will copy. Then you are going to paste it here. Then press on enter. So you are just going to give it time. As you can see, activation Windows R edition product activated successfully, meaning that your Windows has been activated and your problem has been fixed. I hope this was useful, and if it was, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to the channel. I really do appreciate it, guys. Thank you guys for watching, and see you in the next one.